Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a simple and delicious crispy fried bitter gourd that is crispy from the outside and melts in the mouth inside. The bitterness is also greatly reduced. Children will enjoy the fried bitter gourd too. For the ingredients, I have 1 large piece or 500 grams of bitter gourd, 4 tablespoons of gogi tempura flour. This is what it looks like. 3 tablespoons of crispy fried chicken flour mix. This is what it looks like. Today, we are going to use 2 types of tempura flour for extra taste and crispiness. 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We will be using 8 tablespoons of ice cold water and oil for deep frying. First, we are cutting the bitter gourd. I'm cutting it into half and removing all of the seeds. Oh, this bitter gourd is a bit old, as some of the seeds are already red in color. Once the seeds are removed, cut it into strips about 1.5 inches in length. The thickness and length are about this size. These are the bitter gourd pieces that I have ready cut. Next, we are going to prepare oil for frying. Heat the pan. Add in about 1 kilogram of cooking oil. Leave it here to heat up while we prepare the tempura flour mix. In the mixing bowl, add in all gogi tempura flour, crispy fried chicken flour mix, paprika powder, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and salt. Use the whisk to mix all ingredients together. Once everything is combined, add 8 tablespoons of cold water and continue to whisk until it gets a consistency where it is not too thick and not too light. Next, put half of the cut bitter gourd in the mixing bowl and give it a mix. Make sure the bitter gourd is well coated with the flour mix. Now we can fry it. Use the tongue to pick up and drop coated bitter gourd in the hot oil, piece by piece. Please be careful as the oil in the pan is really hot. Slowly put the bitter gourd in, as to prevent the splash of hot oil. These are some droplets of the flour mix that drop into the hot oil and form a little crispy pieces like this. We are going to use a small strainer to skim it off from the pan, as these pieces cook and burn really fast. Give it a stir and continue to fry for 7 to 8 minutes or until the bitter gourd is cooked and golden brown. Then remove it off the pan. Place it in the strainer or cooling racks. Continue frying with the second batch. This is best served immediately whilst the bitter gourd is hot and crispy. Let's eat! Delicious! The whole piece is really delicious. Crispy from the outside and inside is soft, moist, and tender. The flour batter is crispy and tasty with a bit of garlic taste and onion fragrance. It's also slightly spicy from the paprika powder. The bitter taste of bitter gourd has magically disappeared. Love it! Thank you for watching. If you like this crispy fried bitter gourd recipe, please share it with your friends. and subscribe to be notified for more of my simple home cook recipe like this. Thank you and bye bye.